Hello, my name is Jose Rosado, and I am the school leader at Building 21 Allentown. I want to welcome you to our school. Students at Building 21 experience a caring community that is connected to the world around them while being pushed to build creative solutions to real problems.
Every student at Building 21 is different. Students work with their advisors to develop their own personalized learning plan that reflects their strengths, areas of growth, and interest, which ultimately helps students find their passion.
At its heart, Building 21 is about community. Every person at Building 21 Allentown is known and cared for. Everyone is free to be themselves, and we purposely create the space for everyone to express themselves.
It's a safe space. Like, everybody accepts everyone. I feel comfortable being myself and expressing myself here.
A big part of our philosophy is that school should extend well beyond the four walls of our building. Through apprenticeships, internships, summer learning experiences, college classes, and our unique curriculum, we help our students explore the world and discover their passion.
Creating a caring community in our school makes a huge difference. Some 90% of our kids graduate, and over half of them go to college.
The environment of Building 21 is different from other schools because they give us a chance to work on our creativity or things we're more passionate about. They also give us the ability to work on our real-world problems outside of school.
Every student at Building 21 blazes a unique path to their future. Our advisors work with each student to understand their individual strengths and interests, and then help to build a pathway through school that sets them up for success after graduation.
We're always pushing our kids to reach their potential, and then some. 2/3 of our students take college classes while at Building 21.
The teachers really care about me, my family. They keep pushing us to find out about our strengths, our weaknesses. They want me to figure out my potential before I go out to college.
At B21, you are able to be yourself. We are a small school, but our power comes from our ability to connect with one another.
To our rising 8th graders, we're excited to welcome you to our Building 21 community.
Find their own passion, because guess what? No, I'm just kidding.
I don't know what I just said. Sorry, yeah, I don't know. Words are still twisted from the other stuff.